Hi. In this material I will show you how to send a preview of the 3 outputs of the Pandoras Box server to its 4th output. But first, let's consider why you might need it. Suppose you have a system that is composed of a main server and a control computer. The main server has a video card with 4 outputs and 4 inputs. Your task is to send a signal to an LED screen with a size of 5760 pixels by 1080 pixels, which is 3 HD. In our setup, only the main server is equipped with a capture card, so only on it will you see these signals. In other words, they will not be visible on the control computer. And you would like to see exactly what signals you are displaying, in what positions they are, what parameters they have, etc. You can provide yourself with such a preview by having a free 4th output from the main server. How to do it? Without further ado, let's see. Let's open a new project. I'll start by rearranging the look of my workspace. Okay. Now let's add a machine with 4 outputs to our set. Let's assume that all these outputs will have a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Let's arrange the first 3 outputs in such a way that they correspond to our LED screen and that they cover the entire surface of the screen. Now let's add 3 different graphic elements to the next 3 layers. Let's arrange them, too, appropriately in relation to each other. Let's now note that there are 4 consecutive cameras assigned to all 4 outputs. When we enter full screen mode, we can see one by one what our cameras are displaying and what our outputs are displaying. Our first output shows the same as our first camera, our second output shows what our second camera shows, our third output shows what our third camera shows, while our 4th output shows what our 4th camera shows. Fortunately, the cameras in the Pandoras Box system can be moved in 3 dimensions: X, Y, and Z. The default value for each camera's Z-axis position is -3000, so let's select our camera number 4 and set its Z-axis position to 3 times that. Let's enter -9000. Now when we switch to full screen mode once again, we can see that our output number 4 shows a preview of our 3 other outputs. Even when we add an external signal to the next layer, we can still preview it using our 4th output. If this was helpful to you, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. You can also visit us at broadcastwizard.tech, where you will find, among other things, a course on Pandoras Box and widget designer software.